Hello, welcome to Operations Management. In this lecture, I will solve a problem on exponential smoothing method for forecasting. Dell Computer sells laptops. Table 1 presents 12 months sales for the year 2017. So we have a sales data here. Forecast January 2018 using exponential smoothing. Assume August forecast to be 23,000 units and smoothing constant to be zero point 0.2. So we wanted to forecast January 2018. So to forecast January 2018, we need December's forecast. If you see the formula for exponential smoothing, f of t is equal to f of t minus 1 plus alpha, this is plus alpha a of t minus 1 minus f of t minus 1. So we are relying on previous time periods forecast and actual demand or sales for previous time periods. So we have actual sales, however we need previous time periods forecast value. Similarly, to forecast December, we need November. So to help us, what the question says is 20. They wanted us to assume August forecast to be 23,000 units. So if you see, if I draw a column here, and this is all the forecasts by using exponential smoothing, which I will represent by ES. So they gave us August forecast, which is 23. So since we have August forecasted value and the actual value, I can calculate by using this formula September's forecast value. So the September's forecast value would be f of t minus 1, that is August forecast, so 23, plus alpha is given as smoothing constant is 0.2. So our alpha is 0.2. So 0.2 multiplied by the actual value, which is for August it's 13, minus the forecasted value of the previous time period, which is 23. So if you calculate this, you will get September's forecast to be 21. Since we have September's forecast, we can calculate the forecast for October, which is so again I'm using this formula f of t minus 1 previous time period forecast, which is 21, plus alpha smoothing constant is 0.2 multiplied by actual value. So the actual value would be here in this case. September's actual value is 19 minus the forecasted value, which is 21. So this is we are going to get 20.6. Since we have to do the same thing until we reach January's forecasted value. So since we have October forecasted value, we can do the same thing for November, which is f of t minus 1. So that's 20.6 plus 0.2, which is the smoothing constant, multiplied by a of t minus 1, which is October's actual value, 21, minus the forecasted value, that's 20.6. So this is going to give us 20.68. Since we have October, we can calculate November's forecast, which is again f of t minus 1. I am using the same formula, 20.68 plus zero point 0.2 multiplied by the previous time period's actual value, that is 11, minus the forecasted value 20.68. This is going to give me 18.744. So we can do the same thing for January now. So we have December's forecast, 18.744 plus alpha is zero point 0.2 multiplied by December's actual value is 14 minus 18.744, which is the forecasted value. This is going to give me 17.7952. So our forecasted value for January 2018 would be 17.7952. That is, I can round it off to 18, or because this is in thousands, I don't have to round it off. I can say 17.7952 multiplied by 1000. So this is going to give us 17795.2. So 17,796 units. So that concludes my lecture on exponential smoothing. Thank you.